The development of an area is judged based on its modern version, that is, in terms of technologies and great architectures. Construction has now become a criteria for the development of any place. In this video, we shall have a glance on one such place well known for its beautiful heritage, the Uttar Kannada district. Yana and Dandeli are the two major wonders for which the district is well known for. Along with it, the district has also found its growth in several grounds with the notable works like Supa Dam, Kadra Dam, and forts like Mirjan Fort, Sadashivgarh Fort, Sanmudagiri, and so on. Temples like Murdeshwar, Rameshwar, Gunavanteshwara are some of the eye-catching works. This video consists of precise information on Mirjan Fort, Murdeshwar Temple, Supa Dam, and Yana. The main aspect for a better developed place is to have a better transport. The National Highway 66 passes through the district, which connects Panvel near Mumbai to Kerala state. Many private buses are plying on this highway, which provides intra-state services to places like Bombay, Pune, Belgaum, Mangalore, Bhatkal, Kasargod, etc. Mirjan Fort. The Mirjan Fort is located on the west coast of Uttar Kannada district. The fort, known for its architectural elegance, was the location of several battles in the past. It is about 0.5 kilometers from the National Highway 66 and 21 kilometers from Gokarna, the famous Hindu pilgrimage center on the west coast of India. The fort is built over an area of about 4.1 hectares, that is about 10 acres. It is built with laterite stones. It was built with high walls and bastions. The fort has 4 entrances, one main and 3 subsidiary entrances, and many wells which are interlinked and with access channels leading to the circular moat and used as a defense measure to protect the fort that once fully surrounded the fort and leading to the canal works outside the fort's limit. At each entrance, there are wide steps to enter the fort. The fort is double walled and has high turrets on the bastions. It is now mostly seen in ruins but is being restored by ASI to some extent. The ruins have been inferred as remnants of a secret passage, entry doors, a darbar hall, and a marketplace. Stone images of Hindu gods and goddesses are also seen under a large tree. This ancient fort has many claimants and the construction credits seems very hazy. Historians have traced back the constructions to the 16th century and have seen pieces of evidence that credit Queen Chennabaira Devi of Gersopa for the construction. Queen Chennabaira Devi was popularly known as the Pepper Queen, and it is said that she managed the pepper business from this fort. This fort, with Deccan and Mughal influences, has been home to many rulers over the centuries. After many restoration efforts, the Archaeological Survey of India (ASI) has declared the fort as a protected monument under its purview. The fort, that was once the location of several battles, is now filled with greens. Murdeshwar Temple. Murdeshwar Temple is one of such temples which look quite contemporary, though it belongs to the ancient era. The temple is dedicated to worshipping Lord Murdeshwara, considered to be one of the forms of Lord Shiva. The temple has one gripping thing is that it is surrounded by Arabian Sea from 3 sides and the temple premises begins with a 20-storied gopuram. Besides that, the thing that makes it way more bewitching is the location of a huge statue of Lord Shiva, which is the second largest statue of Lord Shiva in India. The temple has been built on a small hillock called as Kandula. The Rajagopuram is 249 feet tall and is taller than the 243 feet Gopuram of Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Srirangam, Trichy, and 239 feet long Gopuram of Brihadishwara Temple at Tanjore. Hegade lauding the dedication and efforts of R.N. Shetty, the builder of the Murdeshwar Temple, said the new Rajagopuram is an excellent blend of incredible beauty, magnificence, and devotion. The magnificent 123 feet long statue of Lord Shiva in the backdrop lends the Gopuram a majestic look. Shetty said the Rajagopuram was built under the guidance of Tamil sculptor S.K. Achar, who built Vivekananda Rock in Kanyakumari along with his sons Dakshinamurti and Swaminathan and a big team of 500 Tanjore based sculptors. At the entry of the gate of the temples are the statues of two elephants, which are believed to act as a guard to the temple. Within the temple premises is present a depiction of Lord Shiva giving the teaching of Gita to Arjuna, and beside that the depiction of Ravana giving the Atmalinga to Lord Ganesha. Except the principal sanctum, which still holds the same old flavor, the whole temple has been transformed in the contemporary style. Supa Dam. Supa Dam is built across Kali Nadi or a Kali river in state of Karnataka in India and is the highest dam in Karnataka. The dam is situated at Ganeshgudi, which is in Joida Taluk of Uttar Kannada district. The dam forms the main storage reservoir to all the powerhouses in Kali Nadi hydropower project of total installed capacity of 1180 megawatts, which includes main Nagzari powerhouse of 810 megawatts capacity. The powerhouse at the foot of the dam has 250 megawatts electricity generators. The electricity generated is supplied to different parts of Karnataka. The dam was built by Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited and is designed, owned and operated by Karnataka Power Corporation Limited. Construction of Supa Dam was a history in itself. Initially, the dam was constructed by Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited (HSCL), but later all the admin affairs of the dam were taken over by Karnataka Power Corporation Limited (KPCL). Construction of the dam was started in 1974 and completion done in 1987. During the year 1985, the mechanical plant of the dam was also commissioned. 13 years long time in the construction of the dam was invested, as in that time several political issues were prevailing. Some financial constraints were also responsible for this abnormal delay in construction. The name of the dam is derived from Suparulu, god of forest. It is believed that the blessings of the jungle god are still on the area to make it wet from the water of Kali Nadi river. Heading to the final part of the video, that is Yana rocks and caves. Yana caves are naturally formed caves on huge monolith rocks. These rocks are found in two parts. The first one is known as Mohini Shikhara, which has an altitude of 90 meters. The second rock is huge and the largest one, known as Bhairaveshwara Shikhara. Its height is 120 meters from its base area. These two rocks are very different when compared to the other rocks found here. According to the geologist, these were in ancient lime rocks, which degraded or eroded in the passage of time. The solvent minerals of these rocks may be eroded naturally in this dense rainforest area. The current shape like caves are the natural phenomena happened in these rocks due to degradation activities. There are also beliefs that these rocks were asteroids fell from an outer space due to its distinguished properties, since no other rocks are found with similar nature. The gaps formed in the natural erosion looks like caves. The bottom area one can see the shape of solidified molten lava. The upper part are like rock slab and it has got tiny peaks which resembles the great Himalayan peaks. Its inner portion is very beautiful with open skies in few areas and enormous pathways within the rocks. These caves looks very pleasant in the rainy season. It grows few tiny vegetation on its rocks. This looks very pleasant to our eyes. The tiny rocks is in the shape of Shivalinga is formed here. A few drops of water always sprinkle from the top springs on this linga. There are also metal and stone sculptures of Hindu goddess built here. The base of the rock has a recently built Lord Shiva Temple. Its main entry has to be accessed from here. To reach these cave rocks, there are rock carved steps built here. While the other topics dealt with the constructions and architectures, Yana stands as one of the example for environmental engineering. Thank you.